Have you ever come across the wheel of life where you draw a circle, you divide it into like 6 or 7 pieces, and you put the key areas of your life, finance, health, connection, purpose, spirituality, whatever. You break it up and you say 0 in the middle, 10 on the outside. How would I rate my contentment in each of these areas? All right, my relationships might be 9 out of 10, but my finances might be 2 out of 10. This is something that was really, really powerful for me. I looked at where I was doing really, really well in life, what was easy for me, and I realized for that to be the case, I must see myself as somebody worthy of that in my life. And I borrowed that energy, that emotion for the thing that I struggled with. So you can do that, draw a circle and look at all of the areas of your life, and where something comes more naturally, where good things turn up without too much effort, you can see that you must already have that belief. You must feel that way. So what are the emotions, behaviors, thoughts, patterns you have in that area of your life? Where did they come from? How did you build on them? And how can you borrow them and bring them to an area of your life that you struggle with? You can do this in other ways too. You might take somebody who has a result that you want and imagine, how do they feel when they wake up? What do they say to themselves? How do they behave? Can I borrow some of their energy, some of their vibe, some of their approach to their day? Can I emulate what they do? Could I talk to myself the way they would talk to themselves in this area? And see what it does. And then another way to do it is to go back into projects in your life where you've done well. Like, I had a client last week and she told me a goal she had and she was scared about this goal. It was a big goal, and I replied, please, you've done harder things than this. And it changed her whole perspective, and we joke about it on calls now. You have done harder things than what you're trying to change right now. You've lived through and survived harder things. They were a must. This is a want and a desire, so you're not prioritizing it in the same way. What I'm saying is, bring it into focus, prioritize who do you have to become, and actively work on changing how you see yourself and the action that you back it up with, all right?